This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
With the ignition key in the off position, pry up on the sides of the battery cover and remove the cover. Then loosen the negative battery cable nut and disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Remove the oil filler cap, then the engine cover. Reinstall the oil cap. Remove the coil electrical connectors, then remove the coil mounting bolts. Pull the coil straight out to remove it. Using a spark plug socket with a ratchet and an extension, remove the spark plugs. Before installing the new spark plugs, apply a thin coat of NSE's compound to the threads of the plugs. Install the plugs into their holes and avoid cross-threading them. Tighten the spark plugs to 15 foot-pounds. It is a good idea to coat the inside of the coils with a dielectric compound to ensure the best connection to the spark plugs. Insert the ignition coils and their mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts securely. Connect the coil electrical connectors. Remove the oil filler cap to install the engine cover. Then reinstall the oil filler cap and tighten it securely by hand. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery and tighten the negative cable nut securely. Install the battery cover, securing all the side retaining tabs.